What's up, y'all? It's Jeremy and Iwa from Nam Life, and today we're gonna whip up some Longanisa dumplings for you. Now, we had our Lunar New Year party last night with lots of McAllens, so this is something that's gonna help soak all that up and help you poop it out.
So the dumplings we're gonna make today are Longanisa dumplings. These were a happy accident at one of our friends' dinner parties. Longanisa is a Filipino sausage, and it's a sweet and savory sausage, so it's really juicy and delicious. And we'll add some lettuce, we got some chives, garlic, and then we'll throw in a bunch of spices.
So first we're gonna prep our aromatics. You got garlic, onion, and chives. That's gonna give it a lot of depth and flavor to the meat. So garlic, you wanna use about half a clove, and then with this onion, probably about a fourth is good. So you just wanna quarter that and get to dicing. About half a clove of garlic. The chives, you want to do a small handful.
To add lettuce as well to add like a brightness to the dumplings. It just helps balance out the sausage since it's really sweet and savory.
So growing up, we were both part of restaurant families, so making dumplings was very central to home life as well as business. So I really love watching my Uncle Kwang whip up 1,000 dumplings in an hour for, you know, the appetizers at the restaurant.
He's a beast. He
yeah.
makes so many and they all are like pristine. Like I still don't fold as well.
Oh, absolutely. One man assembly machine. So we should definitely hook him up with a TikTok. Uncle Kwang, shout out for 2020.
Things about making dumplings is that it's really a group activity. Like no matter if it's your family or friends, like it's something everyone can like come around and do together. Like,
absolutely. And help you get a date too. I think that's what initially attracted Iwa to me was my dumpling skills. So
you made ramen.
Ramen, dumplings, whatever, everything.
So now we have the main parts of our filling down. All we gotta add is the
accoutrement.
So I just want to add a little bit of sesame oil.
That much. We don't measure in our household.
We don't measure.
We just kind of eyeball it, so use your judgment.
I would say like probably like 2 teaspoons. And then a tablespoon of soy sauce. Oops, that was a little more. And some Shaoxing wine.
A dash of Shaoxing wine. Splash.
It's the hangover. It's impairing my vision. Alright, and then some white pepper powder. About a teaspoon. Half a teaspoon of 5 spice.
So the 5 spice adds a little like actual peppery flavor to it, so it's really nice.
And then some ginger powder.
Get that in post-editing.
We're down to the last bit of it.
Doesn't last very long in this household.
It does. And then we can add just a tiny bit of salt. There's already so much sodium in the soy sauce. There's already a lot of salt in this.
There's a lot of sodium in the soy sauce already, so you gotta be careful.
There's a lot of salt already in. There's a lot
of salt, but you don't want to overdo it and make them, you know,
incredibly salty. And then some chili flakes, just to give it
some pop.
Okay, so next all we gotta do is mix it. You can use a spoon.
Or, if you want to get romantic, get in there with your hands. Shout out Patrick Swayze.
So I'm just gonna lightly flour our table.
What's the flour for?
So that the dumplings don't get soggy bottoms. No, soggy bottoms.
That's true. So I'll usually wrap like 3 or 4 of these for fun, but since Iwa is the professional wrapper in the household, I'll let her handle the bulk of the work.
I have a little bowl of water, and you're gonna wet the edges. You're actually making these.
And that's so it sticks better when you close it.
So it sticks, yeah. And so then you're gonna fold it in half like a taco, and then gently bring the pleats forward. So you'll take that side and then just seal it with your finger with the water. And then you'll just continue that movement. And then pinch that last hole closed together. And then you'll just come at the other side and do the same thing.
Damn, look at that form. Beautiful.
Still not as good as Uncle Kwong though.
And I think something about the way you wrap it is really important too, right? Like you gotta make sure it's airtight so juices and everything don't leak out. But then you wanna have these nice ridges so they pick up the sauce really well.
What did you make?
I give myself a C- on here. The effort was there, but the execution is very poor. So it's about a C-. Bring dishonor to our household.
But with dumplings, it doesn't really matter how they look. It's all gonna taste the same.
So if you're like me and you know this more like curated special folding style is too difficult, you can do, there's an easier style too. You can just kind of close the edges.
Yes.
And this one gets boiled. So those get pan fried, this gets boiled. So with the dumpling wrappers, we actually just buy them from the store. Most Asian grocery stores or even some specialty stores will carry them. Some people will make homemade ones, but purely out of convenience sake, we'll buy the wraps because they're all like, you know, equally thin. They're all produced to be the same, so you get the same quality with each wrapper. Once you got the oil about medium high, you'll want to start dropping your dumplings in. So you put them flat part down, but you want to make sure you give some distance in between them so they don't stick together. You want to hit the bottom at medium high for about 5 minutes so that gets a nice crispy golden texture on the bottom, and then we'll move on to the next step where you actually add a little bit of water into the pan. For a batch of about 15 dumplings, you'll want to do maybe a 1/4 cup of water, pour it right into the cooking pan, and cover it up. When that water goes in there, you should get a lot of like steam and sizzle and pop. So cover that up, let it steam inside for about 5 to 6 minutes until all the water is cooked off, and then you're ready to go.
While those are cooking, I'm gonna finish folding the rest of these dumplings, and whatever we don't eat today, we can always freeze and then cook later.
It's a perfect snack for really any time, breakfast, like you know, dessert.
It's also a good surprise, like when you're like super hungry and you forget that you already have frozen dumplings in the freezer. They come in so clutch.
Yeah, it only takes about 10 minutes to cook, so it's the perfect lazy meal. So now our dumplings are finished cooking, plated. Now it's time to add the finishing touch.
So we got homemade chili oil. This is Jeremy's aunt's recipe actually.
Shout out Aunt June.
And then we got some black rice vinegar. Just drizzle a little bit.
Hit it with sesame seeds for some crispy texture on top.
You could also use this as a dipping sauce. You don't have to pour them on top.
Alright, now for the moment of truth. How they taste.
They're super juicy. Sweet, savory, a little spicy.
A little spice, yeah, it's perfect. Actually, I feel like all the flavors complement each other so well.
No, you have to go.
Oh my god, what are you doing?
More forceful though.
Hold it.
2, 1, go.
So thanks for following along on our dumpling day. Check out our future videos for more easy to make Asian recipes at home.
Family tested for generations.
Peace.